You'll see here, so that's your Webasto 12 volt hot water unit. The control panel underneath is for your cooktop. For turning it on, you have to push it once, let it sit and hold. If you turn it on and off too quickly, it will go into error mode. And if you do go into error mode, you have to go to the instruction manual. So these circular parts here both go on at the same time. This one is hotter than that one. So you've got your diesel heater just over here on this bench top here. You just want to make sure you've got the outlet pointing away from the wall. So you just make sure the grooves are either pointing that way or that way. And you've got a dial there to turn dial. So you pretty much, when you turn it on, you'll turn it all the way just to the end. You'll see the green light flash. What you'll see here is for your wine guard TV. That's your power there, your cigarette lighter for your power. You've got your coaxial cable. You've got your booster for boosting the signal for when you want to get free-to-air TV via the coaxial cable. So this port here, not only does it do your TV, but it also can charge your phones. So we've got one of these just there, plug that in, put your USB into it. So just starting on the left side here, you've got your cleaning equipment, you've got a drainer there, you've got 2 bins pulled out like that, you've got your fire extinguisher, fire blanket, capsules for your toilet, your portable toilet just there. That portable toilet is locked in at the moment, so if you want to pull it out, you just undo that clip and that portable toilet will come out. You've also got another clip just here, so just for your pantry. So that clip is just located right there. All our cabinets have clips on them. You've got your Bushman's 130 litre fridge. You've got your power switch just there, so you can turn your fridge and freezer off if there is too much noise going on. You've got the lights on in the fridge. I'll put the fridge on about level 2 or 3, and you've got your freezer just there. So you might want to note just here with the clip, you've got a pull-out pantry, which has got all your tea towels, washing equipment, pots, pans, plates. These doors are made out of natural timber. So if you do turn a corner and it slides out, it's because this is not engaged properly. So when you do close it, sometimes you need to push that in and push that lever back up to make sure it goes in. Timbers are natural, so during summer or winter, they can cup or move as timber does. And just over here, you've got teapot with a strainer for loose leaf tea, salt and pepper, cutting board. You've got also an espresso machine here, there for grounded coffee, cups and strainer, etc. just down there. All our cabinets overhead have these clips on them. So you've got storage all over there and there. Located here is for your TV. So you'll have your 2 controllers just there, or it's in your TV box down there, and some other accessories there for streaming, your Chromecast for streaming from your computer to your TV. At the front of these cabinets here, you've got your Webasto air conditioner controller and your max fan controller. That's your max fan just up there. It is a rain dome, so you can use it in the rain and it will suck air in or out. You can also set it on a automatic hold of 26 degrees. So if your van hits 26 degrees, you've got a little window just there. It is always good to cross ventilate your van just to help bring in fresh air, prevent mold, growth and bad smells. Just above the controllers there, you do have your smoke alarm. So you've got a door latch just here, and by turning that, you can pull this bed up, which will activate the gas struts. We've just got all your accessories just here. You've got your blinds, TV, table, and a shower curtain. You've got your winder and your rafter just there down the middle, which can also be accessible at the back. Just right there, you've got your diesel hot water unit. It gets really hot, so you definitely don't want to put anything on top of that unit. Could melt it or start a fire. So just stay clear of that. So I'll just show you everything that we've got here. You've got your coverings for your door and your barn door. The big one is for your front windscreen. Here's your shower curtain. So the shower curtain pretty much just clips onto there, onto those loops just there. The whole purpose of it is that if you do want some privacy while you're on the Portaloo, you can put it there, and also you can turn your max fan on just to extract all the yucky smells. You've got 2 camping chairs just there. You've got your TV and you've got your table Just on this side here, you've got your storage there, so they've all got a clip, and you can put storage on that side there, and also the other side over there. So just here, you've got your Dometic sash window. At the bottom, you've got your fly screen, which can be risen to the top, so when you've got your cross ventilation, no bugs come in, or you've got your block out blind, which can be pulled down all the way and then clipped in. To open it, you do need to activate these grommets, so you need to push that button in to help turn it, and I'm just going to push that button in on both sides, pull it out a little bit. You can open it up all the way, or you can just clip it into that spot there, which will help cross ventilate the van, get some fresh air in. You do not want to be driving with it open, or you do not want to let it just, you know, flap around, because we have had customers lose the window in high winds. When opening the sliding door, you'll see a brush and pan located underneath the cabinetry. To reduce our camper vans on weight, we use lightweight timbers. We've got European poplar, which is a lightweight ply from Europe, and a Polonia timber, which has been ripped down to only maybe like 5 mil. And this is a lightweight cladding to ensure that you save on diesel and the weight on the vehicle. Flooring is made of 8 mil Tassie oak. It's been ripped down to 8 mil, and it's been laid as a herringbone, so it can be sanded back for the entire thickness of its life.